Bye-bye. This one and this one, please. Thank you.
Hello, honey.
Hello, what are you doing here?
What are you talking about? It's our anniversary today and you promised me tonight that we'll be going out for our special dinner.
Oh, so sorry. Let's have it tomorrow, okay?
No,
I have a lot of orders to prepare. Can't you see that? I'm so sorry, honey.
no, it's okay. And it will be okay too if you won't be having that tomorrow. Bye.
But this time I need to feel you hiding. I don't wanna know you hiding.
Hey, Mimi. Is Erica here?
Oh, she's not here. She's too busy making money and going ready for baking and cooking and making orders.
Oh, what a pity. I have to do well.
Wait! Please stay with me tonight. I'm doing me to celebrate alone.
What about Erica? Hey,
No, Patricia, she's not our own one. Even you and Erica are with her. She's a girl. She only even cares.
okay, but wait. What happened here?
No, it's okay. Trust me, I'd like you also to be with me tonight. And we'll make a wonderful night together.
Hello, girls. How are you? Oh, I'm so tired of paperwork in the office. Well, that's good. Me too. I've been so busy and don't have time to hang out. So, what about your business? Well, business are doing good, but it's not about cakes and orders. I wish to talk today out. It's about my husband. I've been losing Nino slowly day by day, and I don't know how to deal with it. Can you help me with this, Patricia? I don't know what to do with it.
I'm just sorry to hear that, girl, but I can't help you that. Oh, I forgot. I still have appointment. I have to go.
Wait, girl. I have something to tell you. I want to tell you guys that know about it. I want you to know, both of you.
And what is that, girl?
You're having a baby? Another baby, right? No. Can you guys settle down? Keep calm. Please don't tell anybody, okay? Okay. I have seen to my husband. What? Oh gosh! What's that city thing? I am having an affair with Ivan.
What? Ivan? The poor one? The baker? Oh, God. What did come into your head, girl? Oh, come on.
It's just things didn't put into the place, and I don't know what to do with it. It's just when she's with me, I feel like I'm on a cloud nine. I love it, and I can't explain.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Let me tell you this. That was so wrong. You break that Ivan and fire him.
Yes, right. You avoid him.
Okay, I've tried, but I can't promise. But guys, before we separate in any routes, you girls are invited to for my son, Patrick. He's turning 18 tomorrow, and I want you to be there. Okay, bye. I have things to do. Okay.
Hi, Auntie.
Hello, baby boy. You're too handsome.
You're very much welcome, Auntie. Well, where is Auntie Patricia?
Oh, she's coming. Maybe she's in the middle of the big truck.
Take a seat. I call Mom and Dad.
Okay, thanks.
Mom and Dad, Auntie Kate is all ready. Let's go. You're there, huh? What a wonderful dress.
Yes, because she's the sexiest in the universe. Oh, you guys really had a nice joke, huh? But wait, I'll just call Patricia.
After an hour, beautiful and gorgeous Patricia came in and have stolen the eyes of everybody.
Happy birthday, baby boy.
Thank you, Auntie Patricia. Auntie Patricia, and have a wonderful night.
Oh, thanks, baby boy.
Erica, join us here.
Wait, it's okay. There's only the two of us here.
But what's wrong if they're here?
Wait, let me tell you this. Just leave them. Just both of them, okay?
Okay, fine. Give a round of applause for the intermission number of our birthday boy.
Excuse me, please. I will go to the CR for a while.
Wait. Why you're not texting me anymore? I no reply to my text, even answer my call.
It's because, you know why? I didn't like you. Maybe the two of you should talk.
About what?
Look, yesterday, Erica confessed that she is unhappy with the affair with that baker, Ivan, because that's all of your fault. You didn't even show to her that you are her husband. Instead, you are always with me. If I were you, let's stop this and fix this problem.
Just me. You also. You made me fall, and I love you, Patricia. I love you.
Please leave me. I don't like you anymore. I'm with my boyfriend. And please fix everything between you and Erica. I don't want to break your family. Just because of these shitty acts.
Nino was out of his mind. He was hurt, angry, and so miserable. He don't know what to do. When he went out to the party, he just noticed Ivan and Erica very happy drinking wine with each other.
Not now. I don't want this party to be ruined. I love my son, my family. But Erica, I don't know what to do with you, honey. I don't know, and also you, Ivan.
The party was ended with a peaceful one because Nino decided to be calm. The next day, he texted Patricia. Message from Nino. Patricia, no matter what happens, I love you. Please take good care of yourself. I will be going to the bake shop. I will fix this, everything. And also myself. I will fix myself just like what you said. While reading the message, Patricia immediately ran into the bake shop and she saw that Nino!
What you did to my wife? What you did to my wife?
I don't know what you're talking about. Is that I love you and I love you with her at any case, at any cost.
How dare you?
Ivan, Nino, do you please stop? Shut up!
Shut yourself up alone.
Shut up because I'm pregnant. What?
Having a baby.
I'm so sorry. I'm stealing your husband from Ivan. I'm Nina's biggest secret affair.
Yes, she is that girl. I'm not her best of friends, but you're a cheater. Do you think I didn't hear your conversation between you last night? Look what happened now. You talk right bitch.
I don't know. I'm confused. Don't know. Please. Don't stop this.
Stop this. You shouldn't be saying women.
Nino!
Sorry.
Sorry too, but I have to do this. Patricia, I'm sorry also. Sorry, because I want to, Patricia.
No, let's take him to the hospital. Let's take him to the hospital.
No, I'm fine. Yes.
Nino!
Erica and Patricia hug each other, give the forgiveness. Ivan and Erica, together with their new baby, lived happily. Patrick just agreed what his father said, that Ivan will be standing as his father. On the other side, Patricia went to LA to be a caregiver there. They still have a communication, the friendship still going on. Patricia married an awesome man, and it's him and Ray, together with their children. The end.
don't want this party to ruin. I love my son, my family. But Erica, I don't know what to do with you, honey.
May mali.
Wait, why you're not?
Hey, Ninyo, is Erica here?
Oh, she's not here.
Hey, Ninyo, is Erica here?
Oh, she's not here. She's too busy making money.
Oh, what a pity. I have so well.
Wait, this period is nice. Didn't make us a
What about Erica? What about... Woo!
You also, you made me fall, and I love you, Patricia. I love you, I love you. Give it the sun.
Nin. Yes, she is that girl. I thought we were best of friends, but you just Yes, she is that girl. I thought we were best of friends, but
Welcome, Auntie. Where's Auntie Patricia?
oh, she's coming. Maybe she's in the middle of the big trap.
Oh, take a seat.